Da ke jingtmu ban penpa ya ki program ai Jinghikai na ke Bynta ki Nonghikai bat ki kena pulih ha Meghalaya ka Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati IITG ka Iasoi Soskular MOU ringkat bat ke tenat pulih putih ha Meghalaya. Iasoi ya ke Soskular ha ke Jingai ka balalong Hapdeng Menteri ke tenat pulih putih ke jela urakam sangma bat ki nongmi khmat jong ka IITG ha Guwahati henen ke sengi. Kini ke Jingai Trailang ka persang ban penpa ya ki subjek ki bay day bat ke Jingai Jinghikai khamtam ke Jingpai khmat sya ka maths bat ke science.
Officials from Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, we went to IIT and witnessed the MOU signing to be partner with IIT to work with. So the first thing is we have collaborate with IIT Guwahati. The MOU has signed that our teachers will, especially the science and the mathematics teacher, will be trained by the IIT faculty members, even in IIT campus Guwahati, and also we'll be sending our students from the state to go and experience